it be a bridge too far if we were to say, hey, look, once we get into this and you're really happy, which we know you will be, you promise to send us another company like you, right? If you send us somebody, then it makes sense for me because then we'll save on marketing. Or is that just is that a bridge too far?
I think that's a bridge too far. And where I would wait for her to send you another company, instead of asking somebody, will you send me another company? Wait for her to say thank you down the road and then say this. You couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure, Matt, what is it? Anything for you guys. A business owner like you, I'm sure you know other business owners. I'm sure you know other people that are stressed out about cybersecurity. Listen, I don't want to know their names. I don't want to know their emails. I'm not asking you. I'd love it if you send them my way, but I'm not asking you to do that. Here's the favor I'd like to ask you. The next time you're hanging around them or the next conference you go to, could you let them know how easy it was to work with us, how great the cybersecurity solution is, and how happy you are with the service? Right? And you're going to find you'll get more deals that way. Let them know if you're if they're a friend of yours, they're a friend of mine. I'm happy to help them. I'm happy to give them the VIP treatment. I'm happy to work with them personally if they know you. You're not saying I'm happy to give them a better price. I'll work with them personally if they know you. Just let them know, and then you have to spell it out for them, right? How easy it was to work with me. These are the 3 areas. How easy it was to work with me, how great the service has been, and how happy you are with the cybersecurity solution.